Umalma na nga si Pasig Mayor Vico Sotto sa pag-interview ng dalawang award-winning journalist na sina Julius Babaw at Corina Sanchez sa nakatunggali ni Mayor Sotto na si Sara Diskaya dahil nga nag-viral muli ang dalawang interview na ito sa social media. Sotto stressed that while practicing may not be technically illegal, it undermines the credibility of journalists and violates the spirit of media ethics. Ayon kay Mayor Sotto, journalists should reflect on why certain political figures are willing to spend 10 millions of pesos para lang masiguro na magkaroon ng airtime ang isang kandidato sa kanilang programa. The said interview prior to 2025 local election where Sara Diskaya is the number one opponent in mayoralty in Pasig City, and the said interview become viral again because of the issue about billions of pesos of anomalies in DPWH project involving politicians and contractors, whereas according to Diskaya couples, they got their wealth through DPWH contract. Sabi pa ni Mayor Sotto, their reputation as journalists is what they lending to corrupt figure in exchange for money. Kaya para sa dalawang award-winning journalists na sina Corina at Julius, kung talagang tumanggap kayo ng anumang paboro sa lapi ng mga Diskaya, aba, mahiya naman kayo. You don't deserve those trophies and award you got.